In this video, we'll show you how to add files to your website. First, make sure you are logged in as an administrator. From your main navigation, select Admin and then Files. On the Files page, click the Add File button. Enter the name of the file into the name field. You can attach your files to events in 3 ways. You can show your file in the event detail page, which allows customers to see and download it. You can specify that the file is meeting minutes, and this will be visible on your meeting minutes page. And you can specify that the file should be attached to an order, and when a customer purchases a product from any of the events assigned to here, they will be sent that file. To assign the file to a particular event, please select that event from the drop-down list. If you would like the file to be only visible to users with certain roles, please select those roles from the list. If you would like the file to be visible to your entire community, please leave this empty. Click the Browse button to search for your file on your local device. Or if it is stored externally, you can include the URL instead. Click the Add File button to add your file. Files that have been added to an event can be found as an attachment in the event detail page. Uploaded files that have not been attached to an event can be found by selecting your PTA from the main navigation and then Documents. Files added as meeting minutes can be found by selecting your PTA from the main navigation and then Meeting Minutes. And that's it, you have now successfully attached files to your website. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.